Happy Monday. It is another episode of Mark Making Monday, and today we're going to be going outside for a little bit and then coming back inside. We are going to be making paint brushes out of found materials. Or if you don't have paint, I'm going to use that same coffee mixture that I used a few episodes back. So you can either use paint or you can use the DIY coffee version. Here are a few DIY examples that I found on Pinterest of homemade paint brushes. The DIY versions that you see here have been made of natural materials and man-made materials like duct tape and springs. These next ones were just made simply by a leaf and a sprig of greenery. I'm getting ready to find my objects. Bring along a bag or a basket or paper bag, something to collect everything that you find. Lucky for me, we have a lot of weeds here, so I'm just going to take a few of these. To create your brushes, you'll need tape, rubber bands, mini elastics, or string. Any of those four will work. Once you rubber band the greenery, you can simply use it like that or add a handle by taping it to a pencil, pen, or marker. I'm going to do the same thing to the remaining weeds and grasses that I have. Now that your brushes are ready, you can start to experiment. I'm going to use the instant coffee water mixture that I made last week as my paint. You can use paint or you can use coffee. Make sure to keep notes of the materials that you're using so that you'll be able to refer back to it later. Try to use the material in different ways. So the tip of the weeds, the end, the side. Like this feather, I used the wide part of the feather, the end, and vertically the edge of the feathers. This was my favorite found item to experiment with because I knew there would be a number of possibilities. Once you are finished experimenting, you can move on to your final piece of artwork. For this, I used a watercolor piece of paper. It's not necessary, but it works really well to absorb the coffee. And there you have it, a masterpiece created with using natural items from outside to make brushes.